The old town of Lijiang in Yunnan was built during the late Song Dynasty and early Yuan Dynasty. It is over 800 years old. It's the only ancient town in all of China that is not surrounded by a wall. This ancient town is designed around water as its heart, with the flow of waterways forming a unique matrix. The architectural features of this system, which represent the Ming and Qing dynasties, have been well preserved. Over the past 10 years, the town has been criticized for being overly commercialized. To counter this, the Lijiang government has invested in improving environmental hygiene, communications, water, and electricity facilities in the town. The principle of repair to restore the original look is a work in progress as they work to preserve the timeless appeal of this ancient town.